You are watching Rex MLB.
Alright guys, part 2 of opening the flagship collection box, as you can see. And then we got Cody Bellinger for good luck. He helped us yesterday to get a shiny Austin Riley and a World Baseball Classic Salvador Perez. And so I trust him. Today we are opening a Aaron Judge pack, and as you can see, a Mike Trout pack as well. So, alright, so let's go ahead and open. So, I am trying a down angle, like where the camera's pointing down instead of forward like that. Maybe it goes better, who knows. I'm just trying something different. So, no, Bellinger! We'll keep Bellinger right here so you can still see him. Alright. We'll just move that out of our way. Alright, as you can see, we have a Jordan Grosshans. Yep. P.J. Higgins. Oh, yeah, Chicago Cub. Yoshi Tagashi. I think I said that right. Please tell me down in the comments if I said that right. Carlos Perez for the White Sox. Nick Senzel. Nick Senzel is actually a national now, so yay, we got an old card. Matt Olson had a 50 home run season. Luis Severino. I think he's a Met now. Drew Jameson. Alright, I don't know. I don't think he pitched in the playoffs. Zach Gallen definitely did. Adam Ottavio of the Mets. Jameson Tylon. Every single time I played MLB The Show, I always traded him. Always traded him. Israel Pineda. Okay, weird name. Andrew Velasquez. Alright, we're nearing the last few cards. Andrew. Wait, we already did Andrew, right? Yeah, my bad. Brandon Nimmo. Brendan Davis. Shiny card, who is it? A shiny Tristan Casey. That is nice. Alright, we do got another pack to open. So if we review, we got one shiny card and then a whole bunch of regular cards. That's crazy. Now, we got the Mike Trout pack next. So I'm trying my best to open this. I'll just let you guys look at Bellinger and Kase while I open this. Alright, there we go. As you can see, we got a Jose Urnia, I believe. A Keeble Hamilton. Cassiano and the Indians matchup. I almost skipped a card. Kyle Lewis. Drew Smith. Braxton Garrett of the Miami Marlins. Dermis Garcia. Yep. Dylan Lee. Is that the City Connect? That's the City Connect. Please be someone to know. Nelson Vasquez. Alright. Eler Hernandez. Dustin May. Jake Bird, a Rocky. I'll definitely give this to my sister. Oh, no way. a laid out Alex Bregman. Let's look at the back. Alex Bregman, who led the American League third baseman with 8 outs above average in 2022. That is awesome. Yep, that is cool. That's nice. I'll definitely put that in my collection. And then lastly, another shiny, Michael Bush. As you can see, that shine. Alright, that's nice. So with that, our best cards were definitely these 2 shinies and this laid out Alex Bregman. That's nice. I do play a Topps Bunt. My name's Rex MLB. I don't have a laid out Alex Bregman, but I do have a laid out card in Topps MLB. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And here's the outro.
You have reached the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.